squared. Okay, so we're just going to have some examples of integrals. Do you guys remember the integral of secant squared? Yeah, tan. So we write tan x evaluated from negative power 4 to power 4. And I want you guys to make these structured, nice, neat, clean steps. You keep it straight in your head. And remember that the fundamental theorem of calculus says that it's big F of B minus big F of A. Yeah, it does have to be continuous too. I would like you to. But it's multiple choice. I'm not going to count you off if you don't. I'm telling you.
Well, like, yeah, in like a free response.
If you're on a free response, put it all there.
Yeah, if it's like 0 and then it's like 2x, like x or something, you still have to write 0 even though you know it's going to be 0.
No, that's kind of basic. We'll probably let you have a pass on that. But your minds, you know, you get really tired, especially as many AP tests as you guys have, your minds get tired. Make sure you're writing every simple thing down so you don't make a mistake. Yeah. Tan power 4 is 1, and I believe that's 1 as well. No, wait, it's negative 1. So we get 2. Okay. Good with that? Okay. Sine is in your book, so we'll do cosine. What's the integral of cosine? Positive sine. Remember, the derivative of sine is positive cosine, so we come back with a positive here. Sine at 2 pi, 0, sine at 0, 0. How can that be? It's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. Thanks, man. Tupac in the house. Why is it 0? Yeah. You draw sine from 0 to 2 pi.
Yeah.
You have a positive signed area and a negative signed area. Okay, those are equivalent, so it gives you 0. So remember, the integral is calculating the signed area. Okay. Let's try this one. You guys remember the formula for this? It is a chain rule for derivative. We don't have a chain rule for integrals. Yes. Okay, we know the integral is going to have this in it, right?
Is it the natural log or is it the absolute value?
No natural logs in this one.
1/3.
Why is it 1/3?
Oh.
If I take the derivative of that is 3, right? So 3 times 1/3 is 1.
Oh.
Right? So you need to be able to cancel that 1/3 and get a 1 here. Yeah. You think you can do that calculation? All right, one more. You ready?
Yeah.
Sometimes you'll see this written like that. Just know it's 1 over x dx. That's the same thing. So just be aware that notationally sometimes they'll try to throw a little wrench at you and smack you in the face. It's kind of fun, actually. Okay, what's the integral? Ariana, you're up now. Make your statement from the last one.
The L and X.
Yeah.
I knew I was thinking on the right track, I just didn't know.
So 1 over x and log x are, yeah, basically. Now I want to show you something you can do here. Properties of logs. If you have a natural log minus a natural log, you can actually combine those in division. If that's so that's subtraction and division. I should put these here. Of course, those are positives, so it doesn't really matter. If it's addition, you would multiply them. And there's your answer. Okay. Again, those were all mostly reviewed. Just wanted to make sure you got it. Like I said, this is 4 or 5 points on an AP test you can get pretty easily. Okay. Questions? All righty then.